What's up, guys? So here I go again with the Atari 65Xe. So I took it apart so I can clean it out, and pretty much did a really pretty good job on cleaning it out. Can't really do anything about the label, but it was a little bit yellowing, and I used the isopropyl alcohol, and I've been just rubbing it down and taking out pretty much all of the yellowing off the all of the plastic, bottom cover. That's what I did. And this is the bottom shield right here. So this goes like this, put this back like that. Okay, that's the bottom shield there. Looks pretty good, the job that I did, the cleaning job. And this is the motherboard or main board. Everything looks good, intact here. I sprayed it with some. I sprayed it with this, with the air, with these compressed air. I used some compressed air, and I sprayed it down with that compressed air, and took out any dust or whatever. And I kind of like wiped it down a little bit, like here, where the controllers go at. Wiped it down a little bit, sprayed inside these ports. It looks pretty good though. This is what the board looks like. And the back. Everything looks pretty good here. So I'm gonna put this back where it belongs. Try to get it back. Alright, there you go. Put it back there. Take a little picture of it with my phone, camera, photo. Take a little quick picture. One, two shots of it. Okay. All right. Two quick pictures of it. All right. Then I got this other shield here. I don't really like to touch these a lot, because then they get like this, like kind of like rusted. You can see someone must have been in here, because you can see like the prints here. When someone touches this like RF shield, it's like aluminum. They just get kind of like rusty. You can see fingerprints of somebody was in here. Okay, so I'm gonna put this shield on. Put this back. It has these like little, those little bendable parts where, I don't know what these are called, but to close it in, to like pretty much lock it in there. Wait, turn it on. Did I do it right? Oh no, okay, I think it's the right side. It's the right, it's the other side. Turning it the wrong way. Okay, just gotta turn it a little bit. Just to hold these. Hold it down. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to twist this one, the last one here. Just a little bit. That holds the RF shield like that. These little notches or whatever, you just twist and turn them. All right. So that's for that. And then I got the keyboard here. Has that ribbon cable here. Gotta be careful with this ribbon cable. So I'm gonna clean this this off a little bit. See what I could do. It's a little bit yellowy. I'll try to clean it off a little, just a little bit. A little bit off. I don't want to take out all those keys. I know I could take all the keys out, but I just don't. I don't want to risk breaking anything, because then I would have to look on eBay and find the parts for it. You know, I mean, find, you know, like the parts or the keys for it. So I'm just gonna kind of like clean it off just a little bit like that. So I'm gonna do that for a couple of minutes. All right, so I cleaned it all up as best as I can for now. Okay, and now I'm just gonna put the ribbon back on to there. Gotta be careful with this ribbon here. I don't want to break it, because if I break this ribbon, I'm done. It's the old-fashioned style. It's the old-fashioned style. Let me see, make sure that this is going in correctly. Sink this in. If this breaks, I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble. This ribbon breaks. I'll be in a lot of trouble. Okay. Alright, so I'll put that in place there. Just like that. And the last piece I'm going to clean is this, the cover. And I'm going to screw it back up. Okay, wait. I almost forgot. I have to screw the motherboard in. A couple of screws around the motherboard. I'll put that in after I clean this. So I'm going to just clean this up. Alright, so I'm pretty much done cleaning the cover. I put the screws back that belong on the motherboard. That was about 4, 5, 6, 7 screws that hold the motherboard. I almost forgot that. So now I'm just gonna put this back right here. And before I do that, let me just test to make sure, before I close it up, make sure that it, you know, it works. Turn it on and stuff, because I don't want to close it all up and something is screwed up. Here. Turn this bad boy on. Okay. Just to make sure it works. I pretty much clean as much as I could, but I'm sure I could probably do a little better job. But it looks pretty good though. It looks pretty good. Okay. Okay, G. Everything looks good. Break. Turn. Numbers are working. Reset. Okay. It looks good. Okay. The computer looks good. Let me shut it down. Everything looks like it's in order there. And it's working. So pretty much I just gotta screw it up. Close it up. And this is it. Atari 65Xe. And I'm happy I got, maybe I'll try to get an Amiga 500. That was like my second computer. You know, I don't have that one, and thinking about getting that. So I'm just gonna put these screws back in here. You know, that was another computer that I had when I was young. That was like my second computer. Well, my brother actually got it first. the Amiga 500, but I was still messing around with it as well, and I ended up pretty much keeping it, I think, and that's about it, you know. And then I ended up getting one, actually, when I had an apartment. I ended up getting an Amiga 500, a used one that I purchased from someone. But I ended up selling it, and now it's like, why did I sell it? I should have just kept it. So, you know, that's the way it goes. And now I'm probably going to end up getting another one. You know. So, well, that's it for the videos, guys. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.
Step up out the Rari and I pose like that I'm Ghost. The club is like the weatherman. Every corner nose is full of snow. Pills falling out the sky. I can feel my soul, yeah. Asking for my warmth, so sorry. Love, I be so cold, yeah. Every time I breathe, you can see the smoke.